Welcome to Seattle. I'm Bryce Given, Architectural Design Manager in the Pacific Northwest for Guardian Glass. We're going to take you on a bit of a tour of the city to see some projects that we at Guardian are very proud to be a part of. Float glass as a building material is one of these products that really has a life that it brings to the facade. It's got an outward reflected color, it's got its transmitted color, has its own interior reflected color that maybe we only see at night. There's so many different design choices and design opportunities to really make our buildings come to life. Tower 12 here uses not one, two, but three different Guardian SunGuard low-E coatings. SNX 5123. Down low, we've got AG 43 at the podium, providing some reflectivity, some play, some privacy. And then SN 68 used on the number 3 surface on clear with a bronze outboard pane. The variety of glass on this tower really allows it to have a varied personality throughout different lighting conditions throughout the day. Now over here to my left is 3rd and Lenora. Let's go check that out. So this is a good spot to see 3rd and Lenora, now called Modern. Architect Perkins & Will, Martin Seelig Real Estate was the developer, and this uses Guardian's SunGuard SN68. The personality, the characteristic that a high visible light transmission, low reflectivity clear glass provides to a building is designed to really allow for that outward to inward connectivity. The horizontal and the vertical opaque metal panels that have a cool, dark hued gray appearance to them actually helps complement the color of the low-E coating itself. This is a very well fabricated facade, like an illuminated gem. This facade is of the Cascadian by Perkins & Will Architects for Alexandria Real Estate. Now the building is still under construction, might look a little bit dark right now, but once the interiors are finished out, the SunGuard SNX 6227 triple silver low-E glass will be illuminated much more from within and will have a much more transparent facade. Guardian's SunGuard low-E glass offers some of the best-in-class color rendering index values and best-in-class light to solar gain values available in the North American market. Now we understand that sometimes the vision glazing is not the defining element of the facade, and sometimes, in the case here, 3rd and Lenora, Guardian SunGuard SN68 on clear, the vision glass is the defining element of the facade. We're at the northeast edge of the Denny Triangle, and the point support system behind me across the street, ground level, uses Guardian's SunGuard SN68 low-E coating, but not on standard clear glass. Instead, it's on our ultra clear low iron glass. This sample in my hand is of SN68 with ultra clear. Now this sample right here is Guardian's SunGuard Neutral 7865 low-E, is a passive low-E coating, commonly seen in triple glaze construction and northern climates. With a higher visible light transmission and color rendering index, it provides a greater connectivity for ground level glazing. Here we are at the corner of 2nd and Stewart. What's actually fantastic about this location is we have 1, 2, 3 Guardian SunGuard buildings. We have the Charter Hotel, we've got the Emerald, and we also have Tower 12. This particular building, the Emerald, utilized Guardian's SunGuard AG50 low-E glass. Got about a 27% reflectivity, which is wonderful to give the occupants a little bit of that privacy for high-rise residential. And it also has this nice neutral silver aesthetic, which on an overcast day is quite nice. And of course, I'm sure to the surprise of absolutely no one, it's raining here a little bit in Seattle. Now off on my right here, on this roughly quarter-acre piece of property shaped like a triangle, we have the beautiful Spire Tower. Now Spire is one of the newer additions to the Seattle Skyline. What's wonderful about its location is just to the northwest is Seattle Center. Seattle Center has the Space Needle, which we all know about. It's got Chihuly Garden and Glass, all of which are using Guardian's glass. 400 Dexter, Collins Werman Architects, Alexandria Real Estate, and on this overcast day, this nice, dark, silky appearance to this building is thanks to the combination of Guardian's SunGuard SNR 43, which is a reflective low-E coating, and Guardian's crystal gray tinted glass substrate. Gives this nice appearance to this facade. Very desirable. Well done. We're on Bourne, headed towards Hal, where we see some wonderful examples of both reflective glass and low iron glass. Now behind me and above me is another great example of AG50 on clear glass. And you'll notice the massing here, these boxes are rotated ever so slightly to each other. Now the spandrel glazing on this building is monolithic spandrel. It's not insulated, no low-E coating, but it gives us nice vertical striping down this building. Now just off to the south is Amliarc, another 440-foot tall, 41-story high-rise residence. Amliarc was designed and built with insulated, harmonized spandrel glazing immediately adjacent to the vision glass. So Amliarc uses SunGuard AG43, also a reflective low-E coating. The spandrel glazing also uses AG43, but the main difference in the glazing choice is that with Amliarc, that harmonized insulated spandrel really gives a much more uniform, cohesive appearance to the overall facade. Pure beauty.